Why are you being like this? Why are you being like this? Hello!
It has been so long since I made a YouTube video, but if you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you probably already know that Anthony and I got a puppy a month ago.
He's the best boy.
He really is. His name's Stanley, and if you saw one of my Vlogmas videos when I was working on the camper earlier in December, Anthony and I actually got to meet Stanley when he was just like a week or two old, and that's kind of where we first fell in love with him. So big news, the camper is on the truck. Anthony's living in it pretty much full time, and I'm with him on the weekends doing little adventures with him. So we swapped.
Stop biting me.
No toy. That's not a toy. So we swapped vehicles for the day, so he took my car to work, and so I'm gonna do a day in the life in the camp. Stop eating my hair! So it's my first solo day in the camper, and I'm really excited to take you guys along for this day and just show you a day in the life in the camper with Stanley, because you guys haven't even seen Stanley yet. I just made this carrot cake bar with vegan cream cheese icing, and it's actually really good. Some ice, frosty glass. I don't know if anyone does this, but maple syrup in your coffee, it's really good. If you haven't watched any of my other YouTube videos, you might not know this, but my boyfriend and I have been rebuilding this van for the past 5 months. No, I try to let this cool. Oh wait, is that gonna break the glass? Guys, you're not supposed to put hot things in like cold glasses, right? Is it gonna break? I'm gonna do it anyway, just slowly. Forgot! Some oat milk. That was probably way too much. This morning I did a shoot with my friend Georgia. I had to shoot for a skincare company that I'm partnering with called Shikai, and it went really well. I love shooting in the camper, but yeah, we're trying to do like more partnerships revolving around the camper, just because our goal is to do a lot more stuff in the camper and maybe even be in here full time. So if you're a really cool brand and you want to work with really cool people like me and my boyfriend, we're looking for sponsors this summer. Also, if you guys are new here and you haven't seen any of the camper rebuild stuff yet, I've done 2 or 3 camper build progression series, and I'll link them in the description below as well. Anthony and I spent 5 months pretty much completely gutting this camper out and rebuilding it. He is a really, really skilled carpenter and builds custom homes here in Lake Tahoe, and pretty much every piece of wood that you see like in this cabinet, you know, it wasn't prefabricated at all. Come on, ready? He literally why can't I say words today? Voluntarily? Well, piggyback. And this is one of his most recent tricks. This is one of your most recent tricks, huh? Is you like to piggyback. I like manhandle him a lot, so he's like used to being grabbed, but just for safety reasons, like I take him touring already. I'm training him to be like a little ski dog, but in case he gets injured, we work look at his face. You look like a weasel. In case he gets injured, we work on this position. So if we're hiking, this is like the easiest position to hold him in, and like probably the most comfortable, honestly, for me and him. But we've been working on all of the holds. All of the holds. This is literally an embarrassing masterpiece. Literally getting way too comfortable on the internet, but I don't care. So pretty! Are you having a good bike ride? Yeah. bike ride was super fun, and now I need to get back to editing my photos. So I have an Instagram post that I have to do for this skincare company called Shikai. So I'm just pretty much picking out my favorite images, and yeah, I'm gonna show you what I shot. I wanted to go with like this mirror aesthetic shot where you could see like part of the camper and then the products in the background and me applying the skincare products. This is what it looks like. I'm currently just trying to edit it. And that's the final shot. I feel like it's super cute. I also really love this one. Okay, I feel like they came out so cute. I made buffalo cauliflower wraps the other day, so I'm just making leftovers for lunch. My camera's about to die. I don't even know if it's on right now as I'm recording this. I had so much fun sharing my day with you. If you did like this video, I'm planning on creating a lot more adventure YouTubes now that the camper is up and on the truck, and I would love for you to follow along on the adventure. Also, I post daily on Instagram and TikTok. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much for watching. Can I have high five? Oh! Stanley wanted to say goodbye himself. Hey, Stanley! Alright, I'll see you guys later.